What is up, YouTube? MOTOBLADE here. Today I am putting my channel in your hands for an upcoming video. I want to know what you guys think and what you guys have questions about, and I'll explain all that right after this. One of my favorite things about running the YouTube channel is you guys ask me so many questions in the comments. I get a lot of questions, especially about my first bike, the Vulcan S. A lot of beginner riders ask me questions about that, what they think would be the best starting bike for them. I get to help out a lot of people, and I get feedback saying, thank you so much. You helped me pick out my first bike, or, you know, I watched your videos and that really helped me with my decision making, and I really enjoy doing that. I appreciate it. So in that same spirit, I want you guys to ask me your questions, particularly in this video. Ask me anything. It can be something about me. It can be something about the motorcycle, my Indian Chieftain Dark Horse, or my Indian Chief Dark Horse, or my Vulcan S that I had. I've had 3 motorcycles, so if you've got questions on any of them or all of them, ask me. Maybe you guys have a question about what rides were my favorite when I was down in Tennessee, where I used to ride. Maybe you have questions about where I ride up here. Maybe you guys have questions about one of the many countless test rides I've done. I don't even know how many test rides I've done on motorcycles. I've done a lot of stuff on Harley. I've done a few Yamahas, Indians, of course. I've done less on Japanese or Asian and sport type bikes. But I can still answer a lot of questions of those because I've done a lot of research on them. And I will have some interesting videos coming up on them, including some Can-Am stuff for you guys. They introduced a new, really affordable 3-wheeler called the Riker, and I want to get my hands on that as soon as I can, so I'll have that video coming up for you guys eventually. So if you guys have any questions at all, ask me down below. I'm going to be doing a question and answer video where I will feature you guys and put your name from YouTube up there and what your question was and my response to it. And I will try to get as many as I think I can reasonably fit into a video. I'll try to pick some of the top best questions that I get out of the lot. But I hope you guys will ask away down below. And even if I don't answer it in the video, which will pretty much be for sake of time, I will do my best to respond and answer any questions you guys have down below about motorcycling, bikes, myself, stuff like that. So for the rest of this video, I am just riding over to get some ice cream, actually, or a milkshake, at the snack shop before it closes, which is up and over the mountain, so I'm kind of going the scenic route. And it's really pretty, but I'm dodging some storms and some rain here right now. It wasn't supposed to rain, but you can see I'm already getting some sprinkles on the windshield here. So we'll see if we can outrun the rain on the way back over. In the meantime, a little update for you guys. I almost have my full pilot's license, and I should be getting that hopefully within the next week or 2 here. It's just a matter of scheduling the flight test with the examiner. So if you guys are interested in that, I'm going to have some amazing flying videos coming up. I have a lot of stuff planned. Going to be doing a lot of cool destination flight videos, flying to different cross-country airports. So that's going to be a lot of fun. And I hope you guys are enjoying those flying videos. It gives me something a little bit different, and particularly in the wintertime, when I can't really ride my bike on the roads up here, I can still go flying. So that will be something I can continue through the winter, and I won't have such a long gap between giving you guys great videos. I also have some sweet new merchandise that I've released. MOTOBLADE merch. It's got my logo on it. I will have some new designs coming in the upcoming months and weeks, but for now I have t-shirts, leggings, phone cases, stickers. So if you guys want some cool MOTOBLADE merch and show off how much you love my channel and you want to show your support, head on over to Teespring. I will put a link directly to my store down in the description of this video, and you guys can pick up some sweet MOTOBLADE merchandise over there. I'm really excited to offer that. I had a lot of requests for it from friends and people who watch the channel. So if you guys want to pick some of that up, go check out that link. And that's probably my latest announcement from my channel. There is one other thing I've had a lot of requests to do. So if you guys want to ask questions down below, you don't have to waste a question or a request on this one, because it is coming. I've got to take my Indian into the dealership fairly soon to have them do its servicing and oil change. I mean, I could do it, but there's a couple of other things I want them to do for me while it's in there. So while it's at the dealer for the afternoon one day, I am going to test ride the Indian FTR 1200. That bike is supposed to be absolutely badass. So I can't wait to get on that and give you guys a full review. It's supposed to be just an incredible piece of machinery. Indian is just stepping up the game all over the place. Their touring lineup this year, the new Dark Horse variants, and the Scout lineup, and now the FTR 1200. Indian is just kicking ass. And so I will do my best to get that Indian FTR 1200 on a video for you guys as soon as I possibly can. I think I've got about 780 miles, it says, until an oil change. So probably in a couple weeks here, I'll be taking it down to the shop, and I will be getting all that taken care of. There's also a few upgrades I want to do to the Chieftain. I'll let you guys guess at what some of those might be, and I'll talk about that in an upcoming video. I've got a build-out planned for a lot of things I want to add to this bike. I am not planning on ever getting rid of this bike. I've never ridden anything else like it. The Indian Chieftain is just incredible. But there are a few things I want to upgrade and some modifications I want to do to take it just to that next level and really customize it and personalize it for me and what I want to do. And last but not least, I want to finish off this video with a question for you guys. If I was planning a really cool cross-country trip across the US of A, where would I stop? Where are some places you really think I should go? One of my definite, yes, I have to stop, absolutely, is going to be Spirit Lake, Iowa, where they build Indians. So I got to take my baby back to where she was made, get some pictures there, tour the factory. But in addition to that, is there anything that you guys have personally ridden to that you just think I have to see on a cross-country trip? I have some awesome ideas for an upcoming road trip, and I'll discuss that in its own video as well, because that's a lot of info to take in. But my plan is to go cross-country and see as much stuff as I can and do some really cool stuff along the way. And so if you guys have any suggestions for me, in addition to your questions and comments, drop it down below. So that's going to do it for this short video, guys. Thank you for all the support you guys always give me on this channel, all the viewership, all of the comments and the likes and the subscribe. On that note, if you like the video, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. If you're not already a subscriber, what are you waiting for? It's the best thing ever. And you click that little bell icon next to the subscribe button, and that will give you guys notifications when there's new videos to watch right here on MOTOBLADE. So that's going to do it for this video, guys. Remember to drop those comments down below, questions and suggestions. I appreciate it all. And until next time, you know what to do. Be careful out there. Ride safe. Ride on. And I will catch all of you later. Deuces.